intake is making a weird noise. When I hit boost, the intake bulges. The whole intake expands. It swells up like a balloon. I don't know what PSI the wastegate is supposed to open up, but it's not open.